So it's a very fast-paced course. It's an 18-week program. It goes by pretty quick through theory and clinical, and that helps them get their licensure, which in return helps them gain a job in the field.
I think it's great for people like me who has a family and has a full-time job.
I feel like it's such a flexible program that you can really dedicate to.
We did a lot of role playing. We had a lot of group projects on cover letters, resumes, just getting them familiar with role playing like they are a pharmacy tech.
Without this program, I wouldn't be able to be hired in the pharmacy. I was doing my externship. Right now we are just working on the hours.
They had 140 hours in the field with CVS pharmacies. So we're partnering with them and they're fabulous. They're giving a lot of really good training and some of them already have jobs, so it's exciting.
They offered me part-time since I am still at school, so.
Yeah, they offered me a job where I was doing my externship. They really liked what I was doing and I liked the place and the people that worked there.
We have a pretty diverse population. We have all ages and from different backgrounds. Our biggest population are going to be our English language learners. They speak other languages, which is able to place different pharmacies to help our community for those that don't speak English.
It was great. I mean, everybody was nice to me and I like to do the customer service thing and the filling prescriptions and all that. It's great. It's great to work with people now, actually talk to people.
I'm very excited. Since I did already start, it's been really exciting. Yeah, I love it.
It's going to help me by giving myself esteem up economically also to my family, yes, and I think they are proud of me.
Super excited to graduate our very first class and just super proud because it is a really intense course and everybody did an amazing job to meet all the objectives, finish their hours, and graduate in time.
Thank you very much, Corona-Norco Adult School. Thanks for the opportunity.